Well, we got the old batteries out. It was not easy. Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us cruising this old boat. We are at St. Lucie South Campground and it's close to relatives, so Ron and his mom is off doing errands this morning. Well, I got to sleep in a little bit and sorting clothes, been doing laundry over there. Really nice, having some really enjoyable time together. Over the years, we've not had a lot of time to be able to spend because we lived up further north, so it's really awesome to be able to come through here and spend time with family here.
While we were in the Bahamas, our batteries started going bad. They were old, so I assumed it'd be soon, but as always in life, things aren't convenient, so it happened while we were in the Bahamas. And they started getting worse and worse, we could tell, and by the time we arrived back in the States, they just would not hold a charge at all. And we'd have to turn the generator on just to start the main engine. Overnight, the refrigerator would just quit working, and so we'd have to run the generator until late at night, and then first thing in the morning just try to keep everything cold. And so no choice, got to replace them. And of course, that's on top of all our other issues that we've got going on right now. So thankfully, we have some patrons that donate a little bit of money to us every month, and we've just been saving that money for when we really needed it. We don't spend their money on frivolous things or fun things for us. We just bankroll that money for when we really need it to keep Elixir going, and this is one of those situations. So our patrons bought us this battery, brand new battery bank, and not only is it a new battery bank, but it's always been really difficult to maintain the old wet cell batteries because they're hidden behind the generator, and it's really hard to get to them and see what you're doing, to clean them and to fill them with water. And so I procrastinate, and I'll admit I haven't taken the best care of the batteries because of that. That may have shortened their lifespan somewhat. So we went ahead and sprung for the AGM batteries. They're a little more expensive, which is kind of why I've avoided getting them in the past, but I've come to realize that we just don't have a choice if I'm going to take better care of them, because these are kind of maintenance free, but because I'm not taking as good care of the batteries as I should, we've gone with the maintenance free. So getting ready to pull out the old batteries, put in the new batteries, and I just want to take a moment and just say thank you so much to our patrons for your support. You've enabled us to get this battery bank, and we really, really appreciate it. Not quite sure what we would have done without you at the moment, with all the expenses we've got because of all the issues that we had when we went to the Bahamas. So just, I don't know how to tell you how much we appreciate y'all's support. So thank you, thank you, thank you to all our patrons out there. And this is what you bought us. So thank you very much. All right, let's get to it. Well, we got the old batteries out. It was not easy. These things weigh 65 pounds a piece, and as you've seen, they're buried way up in there. Hard to get out, but they're out. Yay. And so now we're gonna have to take these back and turn them in for the core charge, get some of our money back. So keep at it.
So we are at Flagship Marine. It's back behind us here. I'm looking at it in the reflection of the camera here. Before we went to the Bahamas, one of the air conditioners quit working, and Ron had the spare part on board, and we are in Stuart, Florida for about a week and a half, something like that. and it was like 10 minutes down the road. So instead of having to order the part in, Ron we just drove here, and he is picking it up, and we'll have it for the next time we need it. Roadblock.
Go ahead, guys.
South Florida. The other one's like, okay, I guess I'll go now too.